Let's get started. Hi everyone. Today's class is knowing about the demonstrator of the industrial robot. To operate industrial robots, it is necessary to interact with robot demonstrators. This class mainly focuses on understanding the operation of the demonstrator. It is a device used for manual operation, programming, parameter configuration, and monitoring of robots. And it is also the most predominant control device of the robot. The major contents include how to set default language in a demonstrator, how to set time for the robotic system, how to use the enabler in the right way. Part 1. How to set default language in a demonstrator. The default language in a demonstrator is English when they leave the factory. The following are the steps to change the default language for operation into Chinese and other languages. Step 1. Scrolling. Click on the ABB drop-down menu on the main menu page. Step 2. Choose Control Panel. Step 3. Select Chinese in language. Step 4. Click Yes to restart the system. Step 5. After restarting, the system automatically switches to Chinese mode. Next, how to set time for the robotic system. In order to facilitate file management and fault search and maintenance, before operating the robot, the time of the robotic system should be set to the local time. Steps for setting. Step 1. Click on the ABB main menu. Step 2. Click the control panel and select the date and time. Step 3. Set the time and date. Click OK to complete the setting. Next, how to use the enabler in the right way. The enabler is located on the right side of the manual operating stick of the demonstrator. In order to ensure that all joint motors of the robot are powered on, when the robot is operating, the enabler must be in the correct position. The operator should use the 4 fingers of their left hand for operation, as shown in the figure. The enabler has 2 gears. In manual mode, when the first gear is pressed, the robot will be started with an active motor. When the second gear is pressed, the robot should be in a protective mode. Please pay attention. The industrial robot with the enabler is set up to ensure the personal safety of operators. When the enabling button is pressed and the motor is in the turn-on state, manual operation and program debugging of the robot can only be carried out. But when danger occurs, people instinctively release or press the button of the enabler, and the robots will immediately stop to ensure operators' safety. Okay. That's the end of the class. Thanks for watching.